What's going on, guys? Oh, I need gas. I always come back in like industrial parking lots to film these videos, and like I swear every time there's like some sketchy dude walking around, and here he is today. Like, what are you doing, dude? Who knows? It's funny, when I had the Integra, I would literally run that thing till it was like below E, and it never ran out of the gas. Now I don't know why I did it, but I just always did it. And this car, as soon as it gets a quarter tank, I'm like, oh shit, I better go get some gas. So today I just wanted to film a quick little video, kind of like a little review of the Michelin Pilot 4S tires, because I had to get new tires in the front, and I ended up going with those. Got a pretty good deal on them, and I like them pretty good so far. So I got two for the front. They're Michelin Pilot Sport 4S's. They're supposed to be the newer version to the Pilot Super Sports, so it's definitely a good street tire. I got 245s 4018 for the front. So the tires that I bought the car with, they were Bridgestone Potenzas RE11s, and they were a little more aggressive than these Michelins, but I can kind of feel the difference a little bit. But these are definitely a really grippy street tire, and you really can't go wrong for, you know, a daily driver tire. So this is the tread pattern. The other tire, the Potenza RE11, only had like 2 rain lines, so this has 3, almost 4, this little strip here. So it's a little bit less aggressive, but it's definitely a performance tire, and it grips really good. One thing I kind of noticed so far is that it grips really good. Haven't experienced any understeer. Neither did I with the older tire, but this tire kind of feels softer on the road. Like, it just kind of feels like a softer tire. I'm not sure why. Maybe it's just the tread, the way it is, but that's just my observation. They put the Super Sports on like really high performance cars. Like, I'm pretty sure it even comes factory on the Porsche 918. And this tire being supposed to be the successor to that tire, you know, it has to be pretty good. And by pretty good, I mean debatably one of the best street tires. And you'll hear a lot of people say, oh, what's the best street tire? And everyone says Michelin Pilot Super Sports. I mean, it's just one of those that's just up there as one of the best street tires. So like I said, I haven't experienced any understeer with these tires. But I really haven't pushed it that hard, so I'm gonna cruise around a little bit and take some fast turns and see how they work. Alright, so I'm gonna try to push these tires a little bit. There's a kind of a pretty good turn up here. It always oversteers before it understeers. I've just never felt it really understeer. Like that turn right there, we kicked out. That was fun. Alright, I'm gonna hit this set of turns again. Oversteering a little bit. Yeah, it's really just oversteering. I couldn't really get it to understeer at all. And this is a 245 in the front on a 350Z. Oh my. That lady almost ran that red light. Jesus. They grip really well. It's a really good tire. I would definitely recommend it. So fun. A little like canyon type back road right here. I'm gonna go cruise it. Really planted. Overall, I think it's a great tire for the street. No complaints. Would definitely recommend getting this, especially if that's the kind of tire you're looking to get. Thanks for coming along on a little cruise, nice Sunday cruise. Hope everyone has a good rest of the day. If you could please subscribe, that would be awesome, and follow me on Instagram at JamesGarbo. See you guys later.